Hello everyone, welcome back to Medieval Dynasty. We are making pottage. As you can see, I bought the recipe and I've been doing this for a few minutes. We're going to take our happy little butt with all of our pottage down to Denica and buy wheat seeds because, as you can see, our very valuable animals are getting hungry. Now, animals won't starve to death, but they won't produce anything if they're hungry. And why should they? I wouldn't either. Oh, what was that? Oh, we unlocked the smithy too. That's very exciting. We'll have to do that as well. Okay, it's the pigs that are without food, so yes, we definitely have to fix that. Let's throw that in there along with the bowls. Alright, let's go fix that first because it sounds harsh, but oh, we can't fix that, can we? Never mind, because the food isn't in the bags, it's in the trough, which we can't take it from. And there's my excavation shed, so hello Nawaj. Yes, down to Denica we go. And we will buy many oat seeds. I think, I'm not sure, a decent little amount. Oh, I don't remember how many rye seeds I planted. I think it was 24. In any case, that sounds like a good number. And we have a single oat seed in our barn, so we will get 23 from Denica. And then hopefully we'll be able to sit on this lovely pottage money for a little while we wait for our fur coifs and things. We'll also make that fancy new smithy because that'll be nice. We'll get some proper walls on there. We haven't run into any wolves yet, which is good. I know that we probably will on our way back. Hello, Denica. We are here. And you have your wonderful palisade built to keep the wolves at bay. Is that Dagobert? No, he's not appeared on the map. He's this way. Hello. You buy all of my pottage and then sell to me 24 oat grain, or rather 24 oat, because, well, that's just a better deal. Thank you, sir. Oh, look, it's me. Hello, me. I'm pretty good at diplomacy. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, everyone. Oh boy, I came at a busy time. What do you need? You need help from a strong man. That won't be hard at all. And what do you want, sir? You are unable to craft tools. I can bring you an axe. Do you want a stone axe? You want 2 stone axes. Well, everyone knows that I love to go around and gather stones. So let's find some. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 stones. Now I just need sticks. Oh, the foxes are out in abundance today, making their noises. I think that's enough. Oh no, we need more. Okay, 10 sticks each. I remember that. I remember now. Go this way. 18, and 20. And then I wonder what food she wants. Probably berries. They always want berries. They always want berries in spring or autumn. I hope we have berries. What did I say? Of course she wants berries. Well, we might just have 3 berries, so... Where is the man that needed? I think it's you. Or do you also just need something? Sure, I'll buy you some seeds. I won't give you the seeds that I'm using. Oh wait, Dagobert's right here. Why didn't you just ask him? He wants 1 onion seed and 2 carrot seeds. Excuse me, sir. I need 1 onion seed and 2 carrot seeds. Oops. Here you go, sir. Oh, I didn't see how much he gave me, but I'm sure it was more than worth it. Now where are the people? Over here, they both needed something. This is a bit of a needy household. Here are your axes. He gave us some crafting recipes. I'll be back with your berries, if I have them. I make no promises about having berries in the beginning of spring. But that was an easy 2 quests. Now let's head back home and plant our oat and see if we've got any berries lying around. Oh, all the way home. And hopefully we don't find any wolves on our way. We've only got 12 copper arrows to our name after all. Or, if that, maybe we only have 11. Of course there's wolves here, because there's always wolves here. Hello, darling. Cute thing. I can't afford to waste 2 arrows on you. Yes, I know you see me, but I couldn't see you. And it's just those 2 right here. I might even get one of my arrows back, which would be very nice. Ah, looks like I get both of them back, which is, of course, even nicer than only 1. Yes, alright. I will see you guys when I get home, unless anything else exciting happens. But I don't think it will. Here we are. Let's see if we've got some berries. Yes, very good. We'll grab 3 of those and 7 meat. Oh wait, we have meat, don't we? Because we killed those wolves. Oops. But let's go to bed first, so that you guys can see things. And then it will be daytime. This has already been a very eventful spring. I wonder if our wife is home. Hello, darling. What have you done with our child? I just won't ask. Oh, yep, there he is. Safe and sound. Alright. Let's get going over here. I need my simple bag and my oat grain. And I have so much manure in here. But I need 24 fertilizer and the hoe. 8, 7. Perfect. Fertilizer. We'll get this done real quick. It shouldn't take too long. Oh, maybe I didn't plant 22. Oops. That's okay. Now we've got a little bit extra. And who doesn't love extra things? Or maybe, I don't know. I don't know. I had a thought process going on and then I lost it. Which sounds so much like me. This won't take long. Yeah, let's see, 1. Oh well, we'll just do these other 9 plots. I don't want to count. And we'll have them in the future, just like we had these plots in the future. 2, 1, and done. Now we can hoe it all. We'll do our pro strat here. Let me try to move my mouse like all the way away from me. And then hopefully you guys don't hear it too loud. But you can see it's much faster that way. Yeah, see, I am farmer extraordinaire. I do all of the fast things. Oh no, I messed it up. I was doing so well. Alright, let's see if we can plant. Oh right, we have to thresh our oat grain. Why do we have wheat grain? Where did that come from? Oh, did he give that to us? Let's go thresh our oat that I apparently bought 24 of on accident. Oops. Yeah, look at that cost effectiveness. For the same price as oat grain, we are getting oat grain and straw. That's pretty nice. Alright, oat grain. Plant all this real quick. I haven't figured out a faster way to do the planting yet. If you guys know of a faster way to do the planting, please tell me. I'd definitely love to hear. What is going on? I hear you being all spooky over there again, Wizabora. Maybe that's what they did. Developers gave just me a version where all of my villagers are extra spooky. Just to prove to me that it is a horror game. Oh, I need another bag. We'll go make that. We've got the leather. If we're lucky, we even have the leather in our tailoring hut. Oh, of course we don't. That's okay. While we're up here, we'll grab all of our fur and our leather to put it down there. Give all of this to me. I'll take the manure while we're here. Bring that down to the barn. Save me a trip doing it later. Oh, of course I'm dirty again. I don't think I even have a wash basin. It's a good thing we're already married, so our wife just has to deal with it. And then our simple bag. Very nice. Oh, excuse me. I have no idea where we had planted already. Oh yes, okay, here we go. I wanted to make sure I completed the rows first. And then we'll go back up here. It's going to look a little bit silly. There we go, onions and oats and flax. And I think that's all we need to plant in the spring. So let's go ahead and put our hoe and bag back. Oh, and the fertilizer too, or the manure. We don't want to be running around with that. We'll put the straw in there as well, since that's what we'll need it for. Now let us go and give to Miss Miragniwa. I'm sure I butchered that name. Let us go give to her food so that her family is no longer starving. In the meantime, we also need some food. Maybe I'll find some more wolves. A few times I had wanted to try to settle these hills, but I don't think I'd be able to place buildings on half of it. It'd be very interesting though, if I could. I think I'd like it. It's only unfortunate that most of it has the tiniest little slope. But here we are back at Denica, doing quests like a good Rasimer, making people like us. Hello everyone. Hello woman whose name I cannot pronounce. A fair payment for an easy task. Oh, yep, 60 coins for that. That was definitely worth it. Hello goats. Are you the only male? Male, female, female. They make interesting noises. Very interesting noises. Hello, Kinga. I wonder... No, Dagobert won't sell us any, animal feed. We would have to go to a, I can't remember where they all are. Oh look, we can see Lesnica from here. That's almost like we can see our house from here. But we'd have to go to an animal breeder. The only two three that I can remember off the top of my head are the sheep woman in either Baranica or Branica. Oops. Well, I'm so glad that you do your warning animation for so long, because I definitely missed that first time. Excuse me while I ignore your body. Copper arrows are very valuable to me right now. Okay. Protecting the bunnies. One wolf at a time. Off we go. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the woman who sells sheeps in either Baranica or Branica, and the woman who sells the chickens in Barolo, and you'd think I'd know at least his name since I see him so often, but the man who takes care of the cows in Gustavia. Those are the only three I can remember. There might be a fourth, but I don't think so. What was that noise? Was that you? Did you make that little screech? I don't know what noise rabbits make in real life. Oh, okay. We're back home. We've planted everything. Oh yes, next we're going to make our smithy. That's going to be fun. Oh, excuse me. Oh, there's a little bit of red in that tree. I never noticed that before. I quite like that, actually. Oh yeah, we need food. Forgive me, I'm being a little bit silly. I'm getting distracted by everything. We'll grab ourselves some stew, because we do love stew. I do love stew. In real life, I think it's delicious. But that is all we have time for in this episode. So I will see you guys next time when we demolish this little thing and make ourselves a proper smithy. So goodbye everyone, and have a good day.